Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to recharge or renew your Amazon Prime membership in 2025, step by step. If your Prime subscription has expired or is close to running out, don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know how to get it reactivated quickly and keep enjoying all the Prime benefits like fast shipping, Prime Video, and exclusive deals. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Amazon.com. Make sure you're visiting the official Amazon site for your country. Once you're there, look at the top right corner and click on the Sign In button. Enter your Amazon email and password to log into your account. After signing in, move your mouse over the Account and Lists option in the top right. A drop-down menu will appear. Click on Account. Now, inside your account dashboard, find the section called Prime. This is where Amazon stores all the details about your Prime membership. Go ahead and click on it. If your membership is expired or about to expire, you'll see an option to either renew or rejoin Prime. Click on that option to proceed. Next, you'll be asked to confirm your payment method. This step is important. Double check that your saved card or payment option is still valid. If your card has expired or you want to use a different one, you can easily update your payment details right here. Once your payment method is all set, review the final details and click Confirm. That's it. Your Amazon Prime membership is now renewed and you can continue enjoying everything it offers without interruption. So that's the full process. Super simple, right? Just log in, go to your account, click on Prime, choose Renew or Rejoin, update your payment, and confirm. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Also, drop a comment below if you successfully renewed your Prime or if you ran into any issues. I'd love to help out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.